Did you know there's a flower that can boost your mood, balance your hormones, and even help with hair growth? It's called Ylang Ylang. It's an amazing oil with so many great benefits. Hello, I'm Lynn, and I help families find simple, natural solutions for their heart, mind, and body. Today, I'm diving into Ylang Ylang essential oil, what it does and how to use it, and why you might just want to keep it on hand. Ylang Ylang is steam distilled from the flowers of a cananga tree. It's sourced from Madagascar. Its sweet floral aroma is both calming and uplifting, but beyond smelling amazing, it has some more powerful benefits for your body. Let's talk about the best ways to use Ylang Ylang. If you're dealing with hormone imbalance or a low libido, try apply Ylang Ylang to your lower abdomen and pulse points, or even taking it in a veggie capsule for internal support. Adrenal fatigue and mental exhaustion, or if you're feeling drained or overwhelmed or mentally foggy, apply this oil to the bottoms of your feet and over your heart. And here's a quick tip. While applying it to your heart, cup your hands and take a deep breath in. It's like an instant reset for your nervous system. If you have irregular heart palpitations, Ylang Ylang has a calming effect on the heart. If you ever feel your heart racing, apply it over your heart and inhale deeply. You can also take a few drops in a capsule for internal support. For more about natural support to help with heart palpitations, watch my video called Why Your Heart and Your Brain Crave Omega-3s Every Day. In that video, I share with you my story of ending my 20-year battle with heart palpitations. I added the link in the video in the description. Another one for Ylang Ylang, grief and heartbreak. This oil is incredible for emotional healing. If you're processing grief, sadness, or emotional stress, apply it over your heart, the back of your neck, and even diffuse it in your home. You can also take it in a capsule, just a few drops in a capsule for deeper support internally. If you're struggling with feeling off balance or have high blood pressure, apply Ylang Ylang to the back of your neck. You can apply it across your forehead and behind your ears. You can also place a couple of drops under your tongue for quick absorption and fast results. Did you know Ylang Ylang is amazing for your hair? Here's how to use it for your hair. First, I would add rosemary to your shampoo for scalp stimulation. Then add Ylang Ylang to your conditioner to help with your hair growth and with split ends. Massage it into your scalp to stimulate hair follicles and apply to the ends for extra moisture. Ylang Ylang is powerful yet gentle. It's a must-have for anyone looking to support their hormones, emotions, and so much more, all naturally. If you'd love more easy ways to support your body, be sure to grab the free guide, 5 Metabolic Hacks. You'll find the link in the description below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little more balance in their life. I'll see you in the next one.